Hello everybody, here is biotechnologist and genetic engineering Yasmin Magdi from المتحدون الدوليون company and Egyptian joint stock company. Today we will briefly talk about probiotic, prebiotic, symbiotic, acidifiers and phytobiotics. And we will start with probiotics. Probiotics are alive microorganisms that are intended to have health benefit when consumed or are applied to the body of the bird or large animals. And then acidifiers, organic acids, include formic, lactic, benzoic, propionic, and citric acids. And that's what we applied in our product by factor to improve the digestive system, which is taken 70% of immune system are believed to enhance gross performance via pH reduction in the digestive tract, which improves nutrient digestibility and promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting pathogenic bacteria. Then we will talk about prebiotics. These substances come from type of carbs, mostly fiber, which important to enhance the growth of beneficial bacteria that which we have in our products. Now we will talk about symbiotics. Symbiotics are combination of prebiotics and probiotics that are believed to have a synergistic effect inhibiting the growth of pathogenic bacteria and enhancing the growth of beneficial bacterial or organisms. And that's what we applied in our product organ factor to improve the digestive system, reproductive respiratory system, which is taken 70% of immune system. Finally, we will talk about phytobiotics. They come from herb species and their extracts can stimulate appetite, endogenous secretion such as enzymes, and have antimicrobial. They have mostly shown the antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and growth-promoting effects of phytobiotics, antioxidative, and antivirus. And that's what we applied in our product Menta Arum to improve respiratory system, kidney, and liver. Yeah.